Palladian windows are known for their elegance and architectural charm. With their signature arched center and flanking rectangular windows, they create a dramatic focal point that enhances both traditional and transitional homes. While their beauty is undeniable, homeowners should also consider how these statement windows perform from an energy efficiency standpoint. For homeowners in Washington, understanding the right design choices and installation practices ensures Palladian windows deliver both style and comfort year-round. Understanding the unique design, a Palladian window typically consists of 3 sections: a large arched window in the center and 2 smaller side windows. Because of their size and architectural prominence, Palladian windows allow significant natural light into Washington homes. While this brightness enhances interior appeal, proper energy-efficient features are essential to prevent unwanted heat transfer. Choosing high-performance glass technology plays the most important role in energy efficiency. Modern Palladian windows installed in Washington homes should include multi-pane glass configurations. Double or triple pane glass with insulating space between layers helps reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during cooler months and limiting heat gain during warmer periods. Advanced glass coatings can also reflect excess heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. Ensuring proper sealing around curved frames. The arched design of a Palladian window adds elegance, but also requires precision installation. In Washington homes, proper sealing around the curved top and side panels is critical. High-quality weather stripping and professional installation prevent air leaks that could reduce efficiency. Frame material matters. Frame materials significantly affect long-term performance. Homeowners in Washington should consider durable materials designed to resist expansion and contraction caused by temperature changes. Stable frames maintain tight seals and support consistent insulation performance. Managing natural light and heat gain. Palladian windows are often installed in prominent areas to maximize daylight. While this creates bright interiors in Washington homes, it's important to balance sunlight with energy efficiency. Strategically placing Palladian windows and selecting appropriate glass options helps manage indoor comfort throughout the year. Professional installation is essential because of their size and shape. Palladian windows require expert installation. In Washington residences, precise measurement and secure anchoring ensure the window sits properly within the wall opening. Proper installation eliminates gaps and enhances long-term efficiency. Supporting year-round comfort. Energy-efficient Palladian windows help stabilize indoor temperatures. Washington homeowners benefit from reduced drafts near large window areas and more consistent comfort throughout living spaces. Enhancing property value with performance. Palladian windows are often seen as premium architectural features. When paired with energy-efficient technology, they become both a design enhancement and a practical investment. In Washington neighborhoods, homes with well-installed Palladian windows demonstrate thoughtful upgrades that combine elegance and performance. Maintaining efficiency over time. Regular inspection and maintenance help preserve efficiency. Washington homeowners should periodically check seals and ensure the window remains properly aligned. Keeping the glass clean also maximizes natural light without compromising comfort. Combining beauty and efficiency. Palladian windows are a stunning addition to any home, but their performance depends on thoughtful planning. For homeowners in Washington, choosing high-performance glass, durable frame materials, and professional installation ensures these iconic windows deliver lasting energy efficiency. By balancing architectural beauty with modern insulation features, Palladian windows can provide both visual impact and year-round comfort, making them a smart and stylish upgrade for Washington homes.